So to start off, who are you?
I'm the Cat in the Hat.
Now tell us, where are you from and how your story starts off?
I'm from Southern California, a place that was hard to fit in, being Cat. I never really understood what it's like to be normal. So, started getting pretty sad and decided to sneak out most nights. Snuck out to a friend's studio. Crush Studios it was called. I was able to practice getting into whatever, call it rap, rhyme, the repetition sport.
Now look what you did, to the fish and the cat. Now look at this house, look at this, look at that. You sank out to a ship, you sank it deep in the cake.
Of course I chose them because I didn't have anybody doing any music stuff. But mainly because I would always hear him rhyming that I hired him. He would not stop. Oh God, it was exhausting. But I then decided it's time to grow even further. Mainly by changing my style a little bit. Adding a little more bedazzle, some would say. I want to have more members to add a bit of harmony, background, so the raps would sound even better.
My brother put the Cat in the Hat down by San Diego Zoo. He performed his raps in front of the large audiences. He told the crowd once he was looking for new members. So my brother applied, and sooner than later, he got the job.
Thing one was very helpful, at least when he would show up. I honestly didn't see it coming. Thing one assaulted some guy in the park and things got like really heavy really quick for thing one. It was a loss of the century.
He died? I thought you guys made a movie together later on.
He didn't die. But I have to go because I have an appointment with Dr. Seuss.
I thought he died.
Well, he's always been alive in our hearts, isn't he? You know what? Have a great day. What do you say? Run away and have a good day, cause in my head, you're soon to be dead.
Okay, we're wrapping this up. I'm calling the cops.